Wheat breads or roti is a staple in most of the world and Indian household. But what if I told you that it might be silently spiking your blood sugar and making diabetes worse? Controlling diabetes is all about choosing right foods that work with your body, not against it. Ayurveda tells us that diabetes is a kapha aggravated condition. Heavy, sticky grains like wheat only make it worse. Hi, I'm Dr. Vikas Sangotra. Welcome to eBlosis. If you are new here, I have something special for you. We are offering personalized Ayurvedic health report that will uncover your unique body type called Prakriti, your dosha imbalance, the current state of dosha imbalance, when we talk about the toxin, the ama level, the digestifier, and much more. It takes just a few minutes. Simply click the link in the description, fill out a short questionnaire, and get a deep insight into your health based upon Ayurveda parameter. And the best part, is free. So try it today, try it now. So diabetes is a kapha aggravated condition where heaviness, sluggishness of the metabolism, and poor glucose processing lead to imbalances. Ayurveda recommends ruksha, dry, lagu, light, and kapha pacifying grains to improve digestion, prevent sugar spikes, and enhances metabolism. So number one is barley. It's called jaw, the best alternative for diabetics. Barley has been used in Ayurveda for centuries as a powerful grain for balancing kapha and pitta, making it an excellent choice for diabetes control. Why barley is the best choice? We talk about ruksha, dry, lagu, light, which helps reduce kapha, preventing weight gain and sluggish digestion. And if we talk about fiber, it is rich in fiber, it is beta-glucan, slows down sugar absorption, keeping blood sugar stable. It lowers cholesterol, helps prevent heart diseases, which is common in diabetics. It has alkaline effect, supports better digestion, and prevent acidity and inflammation often linked to diabetes. So you see the glycemic index and the load of barley, it is 25 to 30, which is very low. It doesn't cause sugar spikes. GL is 6 to 8, very low, keeps blood sugar stable for longer duration. How to eat barley? First is you can take barley roti or breads. Use barley flour alone or mix with millet or other millet flour to make soft breads or chapatis. Another is barley porridge. Cook barley with water or milk, add cinnamon. You can add turmeric in that for extra blood sugar control. Next is sattu. Sattu is a term used where roasted barley, the barley is first roasted and then the flour is made. So mix this sattu with water, lemon, and salt for a refreshing diabetic friendly drink. Next is barley soup, light, nourishing, and kapha pacifying. Now we're next moving to millets, the superfoods for diabetes. Millets are naturally gluten free, high in fiber, and excellent for blood sugar control. Ayurveda classifies them as lagu, light, and ruksha, dry, making them perfect for kapha and diabetes management. Number one is ragi, finger millet. The calcium-rich diabetic warrior, ragi is a powerful house of calcium, iron, and fiber. It digests slowly, preventing sugar spikes. Rich in dietary fiber, helping gradual glucose release into the bloodstream. High in polyphenol and antioxidant, helping reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in diabetes. Next is it prevents craving, which is very good when you have a false cravings to eat other things which are not good. Due to its high fiber, it keeps you full for longer. It is GI is around 54, safer than wheat, and GL is 10 to 12 medium. Still better than wheat, but should be eaten in moderation. So how to eat ragi? Ragi bread or roti, mix ragi flour with water and roll out thin rotis or make bread. Ragi porridge, cook ragi with water and milk and add a pinch of cinnamon for blood sugar control. You can make ragi idli, dosa. Fermented ragi dishes are light and easy to digest. Ragi laddu can be made with a small amount of ghee and nuts for healthy snacks. Next is pearl millet, Bajra, the high fiber powerhouse. We talk about Bajra is loaded with fiber, protein, and essential minerals like magnesium, making it an ideal grain for diabetics. High in insoluble fiber, slows glucose absorption, preventing sugar spikes, keep digestion active, prevents bloating and sluggishness, common kapha imbalances. Magnesium-rich supports insulin functions, improve glucose metabolism. GI is 55, better than wheat, but should be balanced with proteins and fiber. GL is 8 to 10, which is low, does not spike your blood sugar quickly. Next is Kodo Millet. The ultimate diabetic-friendly grain, Kodo Millet is an ancient grain that Ayurveda considers one of the best for kapha-pitta balance. High in antioxidant, protects against oxidative stress and inflammation, low in carbohydrates, helps maintain stable blood sugar level, and great for digestion as it reduces bloating and improves gut health. You talk about GI, GL of a Kodo Millet. GI is 52, which is low, suitable for diabetic. GL is 6 to 8, very low, maintains steady blood sugar levels. So how to eat Kodo Millet? That's the question. You want to eat Kodo Millet, you can use like in a rice, use a direct substitute for white rice instead of a rice. Take Kodo Millet. You can make Kodo Millet bread or roti, a light gluten-free alternative to wheat, roti or breads. So what is the conclusion? Wheat might be spiking your blood sugar without you knowing, but Ayurveda offers powerful alternatives like Barley, Ragi, Bajra and Kodo Millet to keep your sugar level stable and digestion strong. Try these grains and feel the difference. Which one you will switch to first? Comment below, and also don't forget to get your free Ayurvedic health report, know your current imbalance of doshas, your prakriti and much more. Click the link in the description now. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to eBlosis for more Ayurvedic wisdom. I see you in the next video. Lots of love to the beautiful souls out there. Namaste.